Oh, it's the morning. I can't remember what we had last night is the last message, but the food came out. There was like carrot and coriander soup with some sort of carrot salad. Ate a big bowl of that. All went down nice. I was like, yes, appetite back, blah blah. And then they brought out like lentil curry with rice. I ate 2 spoonfuls of that. Oh fucking hell. I sat very still. The guys at the table were asking me, was everything alright? I was like, not really. And then one of them, in his infinite wisdom, decided that my problem with eating and so on over the last few days was I didn't have any electrolytes. So, in my water bottle, he gave me a big sachet of white powder. As soon as that went down, oh my god. Upstairs on the bed, lying down, trying to keep the food in, about half an hour of fucking agony. And then I was lying on the side, coughed slightly. I was alright, here we fucking go. Ran through the fucking refuge with the fucking puke in my hands, dribbling it fucking all over the place. Barfed in the toilet. There's about 6 people in the toilets with me spewing in the urinal. Like fucking red shit. Blah, blah. Didn't know there was that much shit down in my stomach, but there was. And then I cleaned it up and they said, right, you can go sleep in the dorm so you don't wake everyone up. So that's the main building. I'm in like the spare building. There's no one in here. There's no running water. I think there's like loads of rooms though. And it was like having food poisoning, man. Just twisting and turning, every single breath outward. Leaving you more fucking wretch. And then here as well, in this room, there's no water in this building. And I eventually decided to get up. It was repeating in my head over and over, like as I turned, bleh. Self-help, self-help, self-help. I eventually got out. I found a toilet downstairs, but there's like 3 rooms you might think had water and none had water. Water's really what I fucking needed. Because I needed to keep getting more stuff in there so I could puke more stuff out. And I think it was about 4 AM. Having eaten at 6, so you're talking like 10 hours of every breath out being wanting to puke. And now I'm fine. But I don't know if I eat something, am I back in a 12-hour fucking torture coma? So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to stay up here. I'm just going to stay here for a day and try and eat little bits of food. Because if I go back into that, I can't do that again. I can't do that when I'm out there. I mean, fucking hell. I felt bad the whole time since I've been here, but 2 weeks ago I got a dodgy curry when I was back in Scotland and I had the same experience, and I thought that was food poisoning, but what are the chances that in 2 weeks time you can have that twice and it just be food poisoning when I haven't really eaten anything out here. It's not crisps or cheese. I'm going to do some googling, maybe I've got something. I've got like some crazy illness. But anyway, it's the morning of something. I was 1 day behind yesterday, this is going to put me 2. But if I'm fit, I can easily fucking double these days, easily. But if I'm lying on the floor in a coma, I can't move, so dilemma. Let's stay here. Allez. a quick look at the refuge. I don't normally film inside because I don't like filming other people, but here we go. So this is nice and warm. This is kind everybody hangs their jackets up on, and then boots. And you get a pair of these thingies so you don't wreck the floor. This is where I evacuated last night, and now but I cleaned it up. Can crusher, bins, all the bedrooms upstairs. You can book these rooms, so you can book a whole like 4-person, well I can't see, 6-person room. This is 2, I'm just going to watch here. Alright, nobody in, this is it, this is where I was. Room 2. Folk just come in, grab a bed. You can see they're quite close together. I was down there until I was lying on my side and I coughed after my 1 bowl of soup, and then I was fucking get down these stairs as fast as possible. Come on, give me more light. And then it started coming up here, so I had my hands over my mouth. And then a bit of it started chundering out down here, which I cleaned up as well. And then 4 I didn't even know I had so much stuff in my stomach, but it went in there, like, oh, it was all bouncing. That was nice. And I don't know if I want to film in there. That's the main room. Get a bit more water. See, to get water, what you gotta do? Over here. Go, go, go. Out in the rain. It's over, it's not, it's over there. Yeah, that's water. They've got a pipe and it goes in a thing and then you get it like this. Oh, it's 6 degrees here, or 5 now, it's not warm. I'm getting wet, come on now. Give me that delicious fucking oue de l'eau, let's go. I'll do. Back to the refuge. Nice panorama for everyone. Some rocks for you. As you can see, this would be nice in the sun, wouldn't it? Got a big board game thingy. Got a bit of table tennis as well. Look at that. No ball, but I guess you just imagine a ball. Alright, good. Well, it's me again. Weather's not getting any better. I've managed to eat a small thing of Pringles. I might also add a little can of weird peach juice. So I'm still doing a bit of hiccuping and burping, but I think I'm gonna try some soup later. That could get interesting. I put the head cam on for a big fucking puke shot, but could do with this stopping, like, doesn't make the experience pleasant, but you know as well, you're walking past these like epic scenery viewpointy bits and you're not seeing any of it. But I think what have we got? We've got 6 days to do 8 routes, which means we're behind. But if we get fit and if the weather gets good, we can obviously push on past the refuges and so on. So I'm not worried about the time limit, but that means I'm predicting an improvement in fortune. So yeah, let's start there. Oh, bird's nest.